Hello everyone, today we will learn about the string manipulation technique. So let's get started. So I have already opened Visual Studio. So and my program name is string manipulation 1. So for this program we just need a string. Okay, yeah. So let's start it. String text equals to, so you can use any text which you want to manipulate. Here I'm using John Colin, any name, random name, and I want output, expected output, which should be like Colin John instead of John Colin, and I want like my first letter should be in small letters and the last letter should be in capital letter for both first name and last name. So let me explain you by writing it like this. Colin, I want this first, and John I want last, and my both first and last word having like at the end it should be in like capital letter. So for that I need a string array word equals to, now I will write text from the above line, then dot split, and after split I'll use this double quote with some space to split both the above words in separate line. So let me explain you, like use one string for first name equals to word and 0 which indicate John. Similarly I will write another line for last name, and here I will like this is for last name, so after word in that braces I will write 1 which represent colon. Now again I will use another string. So what manipulation what we are doing inside it, it's about that. So use any random name. I'm using first name underscore reverse. Actually it's a not reverse thing, but still I'm using that name. So write it equals to, now next what we need to do is like we just need to make this J letter in lower letter. So for that we have like this to lower method, use care dot to lower, and then you have to put first name, and in braces you have to write down 0 which means we are talking about that alphabet J. So that part is done. Now next is we have to count what are the remaining letters we have in the first name. So we need to check the remaining letter. So we have OHN. So for that I will write first name, then substring, space is required, yeah, substring, and inside bracket first I will use 1 which is for O, and for the remaining letter of first name I will use first name dot length -1. So this next part which will count those values is coming. Now next is to, again I will use plus here, and again I will write care dot to upper. So because I want to like make that letter in capital, like for John I want N in capital letter, so that is why I'm using to upper. First name and C. So I will use directly 3 here because there are only 4 characters like in John 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the last one N, which is 3. So that is why I'm putting 3 here. Our first line is done. Now I will copy the same line below and will write code for last name, reverse, and just modify wherever you have mentioned first name, just make it last name. This is for Colin, so I'm just counting how many words we have. So we have here 5 letters. So all the changes are done. So at the end we just have to print, like in console right line we will print this first name and last name. So as per our requirement, last name should be first and first name should be last. So using this interpolation, we'll write last name first and first name last as per our expected output. Last name first and first name last. Now save it and try to execute it. Let me remove this so that we can easily read that line. Yeah, everything is done. Let me run. Okay, this N is coming 2 times, Colin N and John N. So what we have done wrong, let me check. Let me recheck once. Yeah, this is the issue. We'll correct it. So instead of 1 we'll use 2, because we are counting mid values, not like in between J and N and in between C and N. So now it is showing correct, and we have also put the space between this console dot write line. So yeah, this is working. So in this line number, like after first substring, I have mentioned this 1 and first name last name minus 2. You can also use direct number by counting the alphabet you have over there. So you can directly mention, like for John you can write 1 and 2, and for Colin you can write 1 and 3 instead of writing this whole first name and with length part. It's up to you and your choice. You can use both. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.